quickie little whitening on my teeth before the weekend and before Thanksgiving week. I'm going off back to Cali next week. Well, my teeth will be sparkling. You can use my code, and they're having a deal right now with Lumineux, up to 40% off, and then you'll also get an extra 5% off with my code. We love Lumineux, especially if you have teeth sensitivity, enamel safe, whitening for your teeth. Great stocking stuffers too. It's the fog this morning.